Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the right library and making an immediate choice: Pillow for simple image tasks or OpenCV for advanced processing. Once done, make sure your virtual environment is active and Python 3. X is used, then pip install the package. Next, decide if you will load from a local file path or a remote URL. That affects whether you use Open or request streaming. Finally, prepare a short test image file name and set working directory so code finds the file without path errors. Now load the image itself and inspect the result. With Pillow, call image. Open path and immediately convert to RGB to normalize channels. With OpenCV, call CV2. Imread path CV2. Imread color, which gives a BGR numpy array. If loading from a URL, fetch bytes via requests. Get URL. Content and wrap with EO. Bytes IO for Pillow or NP. From buffer plus CV2. Imdecode for OpenCV. After loading, print type, shape, and mode so you know what you finish by preparing the image for your workflow. Resize to target dimensions, convert D-type, UN8 versus float 32, and normalize pixel ranges if a model requires 0, 1. Save a copy to verify pipeline, Pillow's IMG. Save out. PNG or OpenCV CV2. Imwrite out. PNG IMG. If something fails, debug systematically. Confirm file path spelling and permissions, inspect returned object for none, and watch color order differences. OpenCV uses BGR, while most libraries use RGB. That single check often resolves visual issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.